If you're ready to show your face on YouTube, your niche choice matters more than your camera or your editing. Because in 2026, Facecam content is not just about being visible, it's about being memorable. A lot of beginners think better gear will make them grow, but being memorable is the real key to connection. The real issue is this: are you in the right niche for the kind of creator you actually are? I'm going to break down the best niches, which ones grow faster, and how to choose based on your personality. Most creators go wrong by picking a niche just because it looks popular, copying whatever they see getting views. But Facecam content works differently. People are watching for connection, trust, and your specific personality. The right niche turns your channel into a real brand. The wrong one just leads to burnout. Benefit number one: trust builds faster. When people can see you, it becomes much easier to build credibility. Even if you're a beginner, Facecam makes you feel more human and more relatable to your audience. Number two, your personality becomes an asset. Your humor and energy all become part of your unique brand. Two creators can talk about the same topic, but the one with the stronger personality often wins. Number three, you can build a personal brand more easily for coaching, courses, or even future businesses. But there's a catch. If the niche fights your natural style, your videos will always feel forced. First category, educational niches. This is the safest bet for beginners to build trust through clarity. When you teach something on camera, clarity becomes your advantage. You just need to explain things simply. Second, commentary. Here, your perspective is the product. Your expressions and tone add the real value. This niche is strong if you are naturally expressive or good at making interesting observations about trends. Third, reviews and breakdowns. People want honest opinions from a real person they can see and trust. Facecam helps reviews feel more trustworthy, especially when you explain what actually works and why. Fourth, personal brand and expertise. This is for authority. People subscribe to you as their guide. In these niches, people are subscribing to you as the guide, not just the information you share. Finally, entertainment. If your energy is magnetic, this is powerful, though it is the hardest to sustain long term. The sweet spot, a niche where you can teach while still being interesting to watch. Useful plus interesting. Authority niches win in trust and money, while entertainment niches often win in raw speed and attention. Subscribe to find the niche that fits your strengths. I'll see you in the next one.